Are you wondering if now is the right time to add gold to your IRA or if you should wait? You're not alone. Timing is one of the biggest questions people have when it comes to precious metals. Let's break it down using a few real world signals. No guesswork or crystal ball required. Here are three signs that often get smart investors thinking about gold. First, inflation risk. If prices are going up faster than your retirement accounts are growing, that's a red flag. Gold has historically helped protect purchasing power when inflation eats into the value of the dollar. Second, market volatility. When the stock market feels shaky or unpredictable, many people turn to gold as a stabilizer. It's not about panic, it's about balancing risk. Third, Federal Reserve policy. When the Fed prints more money or keeps rates artificially low, the dollar's value can erode over time. That's when gold can step in as a real asset hedge. These are just general indicators, but they are a good starting point if you're trying to time your move. By the way, I've linked a free guide below this video that helps walk you through all of this in more detail. It's part of the Gold IRA Ultimate Guide from Augusta Precious Metals, and one of the guides specifically focuses on why timing matters when you are thinking about gold. This guide is super helpful if you're trying to decide whether now is the right time or if you're just preparing for what's ahead. It's not a sales pitch, just clear education on how current trends might impact your retirement mix. So if you're not sure whether to act now or wait, don't stay stuck. Grab the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide I've linked in the description and start making informed decisions with confidence.